Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's your girl, C-Wit of C-Wit PR, and we are live on location, just like I promised, at the Back on Track Wellness and Health Education Fair, sponsored by a variety of individuals. But we got to start with my faves over at Edgewater Health. We're at St. Timothy Community Church, 1600 West 25th Avenue in Gary, Indiana. And it's all about health all day. Well, at least till 1 o'clock. Tara and Raylyn from Edgewater, set the scene. What's going on here today?
Well, here today at our event, we have a plethora of can you get together?
We got vendors.
Yes. Lots of vendors from all over. When you come down, you can get lead testing, you can get COVID testing, you can get flu testing, and you have an opportunity to gain some gift cards. Okay. Bring your children down to have lead testing, or an adult can come down themselves. So we have an array of vendors that are here to usher you through, give you the information that you need, and then you can pass that information on to someone else. So if you're not here, you need to be here.
You got to get here now.
We're having free lunch, so if you come in, every vendor and every participant will receive a food card, and you're going to get a box lunch.
Oh, you can't beat that. Now, before I talk to Raylyn, what is your role here on the Edgewater team?
Okay, I am the executive assistant to the president and CEO of Edgewater Health, and I am also the marketing coordinator.
Well, you have been doing an amazing job getting the word out. The room is filled up, and I'm trying to hurry up with this broadcast so I can get in one of those massage chairs. Yes, this is a personal benefit. So I'm going to ask you to swap places with your colleague, and I'm going to shout her out real quick. This is Raylyn Crockett. Raylyn, you're on the Edgewater team. Tell us what you do for the team.
Hi, I'm Raylyn Crockett. I'm Chief Human Resource Officer here at Edgewater Health, and I'm here because I have plenty of opportunities for employment with Edgewater Health, from security to maintenance to housekeeping, all the way to my clinicians, care coordinators. If you're looking for a job, we may help you.
So this is a dual win-win-win all-around situation here. You can get plenty of healthy information from all of these vendors, and you can even apply to work for one of the most amazing healthcare organizations in the region, Edgewater Health. All right, ladies, I see somebody approaching your table. You better get over there. Y'all got to get over there. All right, thank you. Come on down. I am Chelsea Whittington, broadcasting live, St. Timothy Community Church, and we are here with all of our various vendors. And right now we're going to talk to one of the guests who has come in to see the different items to offer. This is Pastor Wade out of East Chicago, and he's come by to see what we are offering today and also to share information regarding his upcoming grief conference in April. What have you seen so far, Pastor?
I think it's awesome, and I want to commend you and all those who are here promoting this health and wellness?
Yes.
And we need to understand health and wellness, and there is an inextricably connection between health, wellness, and grief and mental health.
Absolutely.
And we want to let people know it's very important to be healthy, as well as the emotional part, the physical part.
That's right. So tell us when and where your conference is and how we can get more information online.
Listen, we're at Tree of Life this year at the Hammond campus, Pastor Boone. The address is 7105 Holman Avenue in Hammond. You can contact us at 219-682-8402. The information is there. We want you to be there. We'll be there Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
Friday, we'll be there at 7 o'clock. And on Saturday, we'll be there from 10 until 3. And we're excited about it. Thank you so
should
much.
be. It's always a wonderful occasion. It's very resourceful, and you get an opportunity to do some great networking and some great tips when it talks about self-care, mental care, and then just getting through those tough times of bereavement.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you,
love you,
I love you too, and love to Mama Wade. I know she'll see this.
God bless you.
All right, we'll see you on the 6th. All right. I don't know who's next. Amber is actually going to bring over whoever's coming to talk to me. Who's coming to talk to me other than LaTanya Woodson? Another team leader on Edgewater Health. LaTanya Woodson, my workout buddy.
Yes.
We're in our space right now.
Yes.
We're in our zone when it comes to wellness. And so this is a perfect fit for you. Tell me what you've seen so far today and what makes you happy about
I'm
today.
just so happy that the community has been coming out, has been supporting us for the last 3 years.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it's a long time. And every year around this time, just come on out. Plan to be with Edgewater, MD Wise, and all of our community partners.
Purdue.
Purdue.
Yes.
For free.
Everything, that's the thing
Everything
about
is
it.
free.
It's free. And when we talk about, well, I'm not feeling well or I don't know who to see, you all are providing the resources.
We're providing
all in one
resource,
place.
education, just, the back massage.
Yeah, that's the part I'm
everything.
trying to get to. It's the
Everything.
back massage over there.
So-
Amber, hold
and
on.
then
She's trying to
there's-
leave the camera.
And then there's job opportunities.
Yes.
Call your sons, your daughters, your grandchildren, people that you know that need a job. Edgewater Health is here, on the spot interviewing. Hard Rock Casino is here. We're here until 1.
1 o'clock.
Work 1, and also GPTC.
Oh, wow. You all are doing it. I'm so
We're doing
proud
it.
of you. Shout out to your executive director, Dr. Danita Johnson, and all of the partners. That's the key word here, Tanya.
Yes.
Partnerships coming together to keep our community healthy.
And thank you.
You are welcome. I'm going to talk to all the different vendors, so I'll see you later. I'm going to that massage chair. So we, again, are here at St. Timothy Community Church, and we have our next guest coming to the mic. Please share with me your name and the company you're representing today.
Hi, good afternoon. My name's Camille Cook, and I'm here with Miriam Health. I'm a community outreach specialist here today.
And tell us all about Miriam and what we can find at your display, your table today.
Absolutely. First, I want to thank St. Timothy's for having us. This church always does a lot of great community events that are free and wonderful. Miriam Health is a community health center. We have centers in Gary on Broadway, as well as Hebron and Portage. And we're one-stop shopping. We have medical, dental, chiropractic, pediatrics, OBGYN, a pharmacy on site. We can serve you if you have insurance. If you don't have insurance, we can help hook you up. We also serve a sliding scale, so we're going to be able to serve anyone from kids to seniors. Stop in and see us.
One-stop shopping from Miriam Health. Thank you so much for being here, and keep on keeping that partnership with us.
Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you. If you're just tuning in, where have you been? I am live here at St. Timothy Community Church. We are here. Another one of my faves, my West Side buddies, Alex Dunlap the third, here from around the clock. So, Alex, quick backstory on you. So Alex was originally planning to be here when we had a previous date, right?
That's right.
You were ready to go.
Ready to go.
And then we didn't call you and tell you what the new date was.
No.
Not until yesterday, that is.
Yeah.
But you made a nice pivot. Yeah. You and your team are in here strong today. Right. Talk to me about ATC.
Well, good. First of all, let me just shout out to the St. Timothy Church. Because years and years, I remember maybe 8 years ago, I was a part of a mentoring program that was here. So this church is doing what I think churches should do, right? Be a part of the community. Make sure you're a community-based facility. So shout out to Reverend Jackson and what he allowed to do here. So, But yeah, around the clock, we are a transportation company where we handle ambulance transportation. And we just added, Chelsea, our wheelchair transportation.
Congratulations. So, what does that entail, Alex?
So if a person needs to get back and forth to a medical appointment, whether in ambulance or whether in a wheelchair, or you can ambulate or move, and we can get you to your appointment. So
because the ambulance seems like an emergency, and we're all like, everybody get out the way. It's like, no, I'm just going to the doctor. Everybody be cool. But with the wheelchair, it's a little bit, is it more subdued?
No, you're right.
Yeah.
So even in the ambulance, we can do non-emergency. So we have a non-emergency portion of it. You just, you need to get there, but you can't move. You're bedbound. So we can handle all types of transportation now. So that's what we do with expanding our services. We're happy to be here at this forum today to, share with the community what we're doing. So come on out. If you need our services, give us a call at 219-879-1039. That's around the clock ambulance.
Around the clock. That's right. I'm probably biased. So what? Yeah. We did go to high school together, but this is a bad brother right here. And he is in a space that not a lot of African Americans have occupied. You are breaking ceilings. I am so proud of you. How can they reach you online? We want to follow you on Facebook and and get your services?
Yeah, you can reach us on Facebook at ATC Ambulance. So we have a Facebook presence. We also have an Instagram presence at ATC Ambulance. You can reach us at our website at atcambulance.com. So you can reach us but call us 219-879-1039. And we would love to talk you through what your transportation needs are.
And you can come see him right here at St.
See
Timothy.
me right here at St. Timothy.
Thank you, Alex Dunlap III,
That's
around the clock. And there's more here. Come see Alex. But also, who's next? Who's next? He's like, come see me. Chris, come on in. Come on in. Zing Health is in the building. I stopped by earlier and said we were coming to get you. And now you are here. Zing, tell me your name and what information are you bringing to the masses today?
My name is Stanley Akinyele, but just call me Stanley.
Stanley, okay. So tell me about Zing Health, Stanley.
Zing Health is a Medicare Advantage company, and we do help people that are on Medicare. What we do is we specialize with people that have chronic conditions, like if you have diabetes, if you have a congestive heart failure, COPD. We help people in that population, and if you also have Medicaid, we can help you manage your chronic condition. Something like insulin. We have zero copay for insulin with our benefit, which is huge because a lot of people that are on insulin, they cost a lot of money.
Yes,
and
it does.
Some plans don't cover that, but we have it where it's zero premium with our plan. We also have a grocery benefit, which is very huge right now.
Okay.
I don't know if you...
Grocery is expensive, Stanley.
Absolutely. We can get grocery up to over $200 with our benefit a month. Okay. That's one of the benefits that we offer also. I'm looking at my list. We also have free transportation with our benefits. So if you need transportation to go to your doctor's appointment, specialist, if you want to go to the gym, pick up groceries.
Wait a minute, you'll take me to the gym?
That's right.
I need to go to the gym.
Well, if you if you're eligible for our plan, you can definitely take advantage of it. They will take you there and bring you back home at no cost to you. If you want to go do your groceries, we can pick you up also and bring you back home.
That is excellent.
Absolutely. Also, we have what we call a Flex Card. A Flex Card is a card that you can use to pay towards dental, get glasses or contact lenses, or you can also use it for or hearing aid.
Okay.
So we have Flex Card as high as $900.
Wow.
So what that means is, for example, if you go get glasses, right, and we have benefit for glasses. So if that benefit is not enough, that's where you use your Flex Card
to make up the difference.
Correct, where you're not coming out of pocket.
Okay.
I had a lady call me a couple of days ago. She went, she tried to get Prada glasses, or $600. And
she wanted to be fancy.
I don't blame her. So she used the Flex Card to pay the difference, which was like $400. And she was very excited because she's been trying to get his glasses for a long time. She couldn't, but we were able to.
But Zing to the rescue. So I want people not only to hear what you're saying, but I want them to come out to St. Timothy. You're here till 1 o'clock. But if they can't make it, can you please shout out what your web address, a phone number, so they can find you?
My phone number is area code 708-466-6002. Again, it's 708-466-6002. I don't have a website, but I'm an agent with Zing. You can definitely contact me with that phone number.
All right, we'll drop it in the comments. Stanley from Zing Health, thank you so much for being here.
Absolutely.
We are live. Edgewater Health, MD Wise, and Purdue presents the Health and Wellness Education Fair right here at St. Timothy. It's the third one, and coming to the stage is my girl, Terry. Terry, you do so much in the community. I'm not going to guess which organization you're representing today. You're going to tell us. Terry, what brings you here today?
I am representing Lead-Free Indiana. I'm a healthy child advocate. We're advocating getting your children, your grandchildren, your nieces and nephews lead tested. You need to know what the lead numbers are. Okay. If you live in property in Gary, a lot of the houses are old. Grandma's house, great-grandma's house, auntie house. Some of them have old plumbing in them. Therefore, the lead is getting into the water.
Wow.
So they test you to see where your lead levels are. And if your lead levels are extremely high, then they will, we refer you to your doctor.
Yeah.
And they can give you some medication, but also they're going to treat your house to see where the lead source is coming from.
Oh, that's a great resource. So if we want to get more information or get signed up to get tested, what do they need to do?
They can come today. We are testing adults. We usually do children. We are doing adults. I had mine done today. It does not hurt. It's about a
Thank you for saying that, because I was going to ask
try
you,
to get
does it hurt?
No, it does not hurt. It's about a 30-second process. He pricks your hand, you get blood, and they will send you the results in the mail 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay.
And if further information is needed, they will contact you. You can also reach out to me, Terry Wilkerson, area code 815-566-5204. Just say, hey, I want some lead information, and I'll be sure to get right back with you.
Okay, and is there a website, or what can they Google just
They can
to
go
read?
to indianaleadfree.org.
IndianaLeadFree.org. Thank you for doing this service for not
You're welcome.
only children, but adults today here at St.
Get your
Timothy.
test today.
I'll be by there.
All right.
She said it doesn't hurt, so I'm a believer. Let's switch up. Come on, Hard Rock. Are you bringing luck to the cameras? All right. So let me say a word about Hard Rock of Northern Indiana. I have a lot of friends over there in administration, and you all are so generous, visible, and involved in our community. So when I saw you setting up earlier this morning, I wasn't surprised. I just know that when you came to Gary, there was a commitment made that you would be visible and support the different efforts. And so today you are here. What is Hard Rock doing for us today?
So today we're here bringing job opportunities. We have a lot of different openings in the community that we can fill some of these positions with. We've got everything. I tell people all the time, it takes a whole community to run a casino. We have like the front of house stuff that people see. We have the gaming, and we have the cage cashiers, and we have the food and beverage staff. We have a lot of different stuff that goes on in the front of the house, but there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes as well in the back of the house. We've got so many different open positions. There's something for everybody. If you couldn't make it today, we ask that you go to our website. It's hrcni.com/careers. That's HRC like Hard Rock Casino, Northern Indiana, hrcni.com/careers.
Well, I know you do the HR part. Let me just go ahead and do the promo part. Can I tell you, they have 5 amazing restaurants on property, and the concerts don't stop. The Jacksons are coming back. Gary's own, they'll be here Mother's Day weekend, coupled with a whole bunch of other folks. And I just, every time I go, you don't have to be a gamer to enjoy the property. And that's what I have to let folks know, that Hard Rock, you're offering jobs. They give money for scholarships. They support all types of nonprofit organizations throughout the community. And now here you are. What is your name?
My name's Christina.
Christina is here helping to add back to our economy through employment. Christina, thank you. And please tell my friends over at the Hard Rock, Chelsea said hello.
I sure will.
In fact, I'll just do it myself. I'll be there. Okay. Thank you. Yes, we are at St. Timothy Community Church. I'm still Chelsea Whittington, and I'm still bringing live coverage at the Health and Wellness Education Fair, sponsored by Edgewater, MD Wise, Purdue. We got a lot of partners here today, and I have some of my faves here. Everybody knows, well, not everybody, but some folks know that I serve on the board for the Legacy Foundation. And under the Legacy Foundation, there are all types of programs, including Northwest Indiana Biz Hub. And today we are talking Rise Northwest Indiana. And so I'm going to hand the mic over to you, and I want you to educate the viewers on why we're here, what information you are sharing, because it's so important. Thank you so much, Liz, for being here.
Thank you so much. Will you hold the mic for me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to tell you what we have here. I am Elizabeth Palacio from East Chicago, Indiana. I work with RISE, and I give out all this wonderful information. Here it is. Here, if you ever want to, at your place of business, if you ever want to have a pop-up shot clinic, we bring the shots, we bring the gift cards. All you do is give us a time and a date, and we will be there.
Nice.
Yes, we are giving mumps, measles, rubella, chickenpox, shingles, HPV, pneumonia, hepatitis B, flu, and COVID, and sometimes RSV. But we'll have that all for you, and we'll give you that $25.
So you're doing these today?
Yes, we are. Anyone over 18.
Okay.
All right.
Now, if they want to get information and they're not here today, tell us how to find you.
Oh, you can call the Legacy Foundation, talk with Donna Catalano.
Okay. I just saw Donna earlier. Shout out to my girl, Donna Catalano.
Yes. And then we have information about Biz Hub. If you'd ever like to start your own business, the name and number is here on this card. Also, we have all the information for all your town council meetings from Cedar Lake to Winfield and all in between. And on the back of that, councils give you 2 to 3 minutes to speak. So here's a handy little guide to help you speak with council. Follow the fingers, like 30 seconds a finger, and you will get your whole message out, and you won't find a beep, and you'll get your whole message out. And then some early dates to remember for primary this April 8th.
What's the date, April? Is it a Saturday?
No,
April
it's a Monday.
It's a Monday? Okay.
Well, the dates for registered deadline is 8th and May 7th, May 5th, I believe.
All right.
May.
Well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go on and follow Legacy Foundation.
Thank you. I messed up.
We know you didn't mess up. And we're going to go to Northwest Indiana Biz Hub because that's the thing about the Legacy Foundation, being a supporter of this event and so many others. It's a lot of information. Why make Elizabeth go on the camera when you could just come out to St. Timothy because we're here till 1 o'clock. 1600 West 25th Avenue. All right, Liz, I'm going to stop by here. You have a good one. That's my buddy, Liz. Come on over. We are here live at St. Timothy. So many vendors, and I'm talking to them all. Please, sir, introduce yourself. Talk right into the mic nice and loud like me, and tell me where you're from and what you're representing today.
I'm Dion Dennis. I'm from Gary Public Transportation Corp., and we're out here recruiting. We have bus positions for bus operators, mechanics, and bus cleaners.
Oh, well, you know, GPTC has totally just ramped up their energy in the community. I see you all over with the wrap buses and just from county up and down Broadway. And I believe it's an amazing company to work for. But you tell them why GPTC is the way to go.
Well, we're not only promoting jobs, we're promoting careers. We're bringing careers back, and we got our electric buses, which is a new thing now, and we're expanding our operations. So it's the perfect time to get in with us.
Tis the season to be at GPTC. Shout out to Denise Dillard and her phenomenal team. Thank you so much for being here and rolling through here, GPTC. Oh, and speaking of, they say, speak of the angel and she shall appear. Which way you want to go, Madam Denise? This is Denise Dillard, and she can tell you what GPTC is doing. You're just so visible in the community now. Come on, give us the secret. What's going on?
Everything is aligning. I mean, everything. So when we're talking about transportation, when we're talking about healthcare, when we're talking about education and awareness, it all just lines up, Chelsea. You know, one of the things and areas I represent is health disparities. So when you're dealing with the whole concept, Northwest Indiana health disparities, we've been around since 2005. We are a platform that has been working with this since 2005. So population health, understanding that our populations cannot be healthy if they can't get access.
That's right.
If they can't get quality care, if they aren't educated and made aware of what nutrition is all about and how activities truly affect us in our longevity.
And so I love the way you're sewing all this together because we know you represent a variety of entities, but employment, as your colleague just talked about, that plays a role too, because we kind of get off our health square when we're worried about, well, I don't have a job.
Exactly.
And I need to support my family. So it's all interrelated. And that's why I'm glad you are here to break it down about the disparity piece of it, because it's the elephant in the room, no?
It is totally the elephant. When people talk about workforce is not just about the job. It is about being prepared mentally, physically, spiritually to go into an institution, work, provide for your family, find your talent, find their economic place, and know how to develop that.
And they can find it all right here in St. Timothy. I don't even know why I'm online. They should be here talking to you, but I get it. Everybody couldn't make it today. But if you have time before 1 o'clock, come talk to Denise. Come to St. Timothy Community Church at 1600 West 25th Avenue. This is why we do these things. So they can't say we didn't do the outreach to make the impact. Denise,
Chelsea,
I love you.
I love you more, and thank you so much all the time. For seaweed is the sauce.
I love it. I love it. She says seaweed is the sauce, y'all. I love it. And it's the words for me. Come on, I'm about to get surrounded by velocity. Velocity. I passed by. I'm surprised they got away. There were people at their table, and I'm like, hello, can you talk to me? But I'm glad Amber got a chance to get you away from your table. I'm going to ask you to introduce yourselves and educate us because I'm not 100% sure. What's Velocity? What's your name?
My name is Julia, and this is Priscilla that's with me. And Velocity is a clinical research facility, and we do tons of clinical research on new medications that they're trying to get out on the market. So It is tons of vaccine studies that we have. You get paid for being a part of it.
You see my face?
You get paid. You get that money. We also, if you have a problem with transportation, we do provide transportation for people that do not have a way to get there. You get compensated for your time and travel to do that. And on top of that, you're doing good by helping us.
Exactly. So earlier when I stopped by before the fair started, I got on my soapbox right near your table and I said, clinical research, it's taboo in the Black community. We always feel like as a result of the Tuskegee Airmen everybody thinks that when you do a clinical trial, they're pumping me with something that's going to kill me. No, we need to find out what the reactions are for people of color, which might be different for other communities, right? And so if we're not represented, then we don't know how the medication will impact our communities. So you're here to dispel the myth, Priscilla. So talk to me a little bit more about how people can find you. If they can't make it out today, what do they need to do? Because there's some of my friends that are just going to say, well, I want to get paid while I'm in this clinical research.
Okay. We are located in Valparaiso, 55 University Drive, and you can call us at our number, 219-464-8302, and we can do a small intake. Yes, the African American community do need to be represented in clinical trials so we can see how different medications affect African Americans.
Thank you for validating what I said. You know, I know a little something every once in a while, but when you have the experts to back you up, it's all the better. Ladies and gentlemen, Velocity. Stop by their table, get some more information, and better still, share the information so that we can get more representation when it comes to clinical research. Ladies, thank you. Oh, my friend, I see a friend coming in. She doesn't want to do this. And I love how she just obliges me because she's my friend. Integrative Medicine is here.
Yes, I am
and
here.
I know you don't want to talk to me, but I want to talk to you. But you're going to talk and tell everybody why you're here today and all the exciting things and expansions happening with your company. Good morning.
Good morning, Chelsea and Amber.
Nakia.
How are you?
I'm good.
Of course, we're with Integrated Body and Medicine, Kennedy Avenue Chiropractic. We're here in the community to just spread information about holistic health. We like to provide alternatives for our patients, try to avoid surgery as much as possible or at least delay it. So, of course, we focus on the back, the joints, the knees, shoulders, neck. We just really focus on the core, and which is one of the things that makes us best in the region.
Yes. Are you all up for that again? It's time for us to vote? Tell them how to vote.
You can vote online. You can text 568 to 219-271-8471, or you can go on to northwestindianatimes.com. Find us in the medical section under chiropractor and then choose Kennedy Avenue Chiropractic, Integrated Body and Medicine.
I will definitely continue to vote because you can vote daily up until March 24th.
Yes.
And this portion of the broadcast is dedicated to my husband, who in his mind, after watching YouTube videos, thinks he can crack backs and necks. Please don't. Could you just tell people to come in and where to come in and get it professionally done when we talk about chiropractic?
Please leave it to the professionals. We are at 8145 Kennedy Avenue, Highland, Indiana. If you're familiar with that area, the Plaza Lanes Bowling Alley, we are right in the middle of that complex.
Nakia Sprouse is my girl. Thank you for just, I know the camera is not your thing, but the business is amazing. And I need people to know, and who better to tell the story than you? And I know you want to shout out your partner in life and in business.
Dr. Ahmad Sprouse, my husband. He is the #1 voted chiropractor in Northwest Indiana.
See how her eyes lit up when she started talking. See that I knew what to do. Nakia, thank you for being here. I'll be over at your table in a sec. All right. One of our partners is coming to the stage. MD Wise is in the building. We couldn't do it without you, MD Wise. We couldn't do it. So please talk to me today about how you feel today is going and this amazing partnership that we forged to bring health, wellness, education to Northwest Indiana.
So it's going good. Today is our 3rd time hanging out here with Edgewater and St. Timothy Church. It's going pretty good. A nice steady flow of people. We've got lots of vendors. We've got some education. So if you get a chance to come on out, we got about another 30 minutes.
Is it 12:30? Time sure flies when you're having fun. Amber, they have lunches left. I'm just so off subject right now. I keep looking over there at the lunch, but everything has been such a healthy display with so many resources. My best friend is in the building over here with Work One. I'm just hippopotamus proud to be a part of this partnership. Now, about MD Wise, if people want to get more information about MD Wise, where do they go? What do they look up?
So we have a website. It's mdwise.org. There are all sorts of tabs on there that you can click on for more information.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your partnership. This is year 3. I'll see you in year 4. Tell us your name, too.
My name is Autumn Slaughter. I'm the community engagement specialist in this territory.
Thank you, Autumn. I love that beautiful name. Amis. Oh, did I yelled it into the camera. I'm not going to go into tears. But those who really know me, this is my best friend ever in life for like 50 years almost. That's crazy. Oh, don't say, they won't believe that. I mean, you are all, isn't it nice? So, what brings you here?
Well, I'm here representing Work One.
Work One? CWI?
Oh, yeah, Workforce Development in Region 1, Northwest Indiana, especially Gary, Indiana.
Yes. Tell us how the role of employment plays a critical role in health. We've been talking about that.
Yes.
And so when I have a job, it's like I have the motivation to get up and to support my family. So
get moving and to just improve your quality of life, your overall quality of life.
Yes.
And not just any job, Chelsea. We want jobs that provide a livable wage. And again, all that wrap around that makes your mental healthy, your healthy, your body's healthy, all those things that they all come together and play a big, humongous part in our community's health.
Well, I see your table is over here packed with information. So what exactly are they offering today? Are they have job listings, trainings? What can we get at your table?
Both.
Okay.
There's a lot going on with Work One. There is a big myth that there are no opportunities in this area. Big old myth.
Yeah.
We OA funded. We'll just break that down a little later, but we receive a lot of money to help people. We can fund your training to help that person get to their desired career.
Nice.
So if they qualify for our services, we're able to give them a scholarship to help them get to that next level. So a CNA that wants to be an RN, we cover tuition costs, as long as they qualify. So tons of services. So we have training that's available. Of course, we have job listings. We have the best connections with employers. We know what they're looking for, the type of people they're looking for, and we try to connect good people with good employers.
And you get us job ready. That's the thing I love about it. Through the training, you don't walk in there cold. All ages?
All ages. So we have programs for youth, veterans, adults, seniors, and also, I need to do a plug for our adult learning program.
Okay.
So life happens. If you didn't get a chance to get your high school diploma, we have programs to help you get your high school diploma completed, because that's a barrier as well.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of times people that don't have that credential are stuck in poverty.
Yeah.
How do you get out of poverty? You got to upskill. You got to get at least that credential.
That's it.
And that allows us to get you a pay rate that helps you support your family.
Work One, CWI in the building. And side note, we totally need to be lunching and brunching, best friend.
Yes.
All right. Ami Reeves, thank you. Work One, CWI. It's a whole story to be told when it talks about health and wellness, and employment is a big part of this. Yes, it's a lot of cameras. Don't even worry about it. We do this all the time because we want our community to stay informed. Please share your name and your organization and what you're offering today. Beautiful.
Thank you. My name is Tammy Morris. I'm the executive director / CEO of All of One of the Aliveness Project of Northwest Indiana.
She's a boss.
I'm the boss lady, yes. We provide HIV services. We also provide free Today we're providing HIV, Hep C, and some STI screenings.
Talk to me a little bit about the stigma around HIV. We've come a long way with research, with survival rates and medication, and yet still folks are saying, well, I don't want to know. I don't want to be tested. I know. Please educate them, boss lady.
Here's the real reality. HIV is a chronic illness, just like high blood pressure. Plain and simple. It's treatable. People are living long, productive lives, heading into retirement with HIV.
Okay.
But it is preventable.
Yes.
You can get on PrEP. If you know you're not going to use condoms, you know you're not going to take precaution, then take PrEP.
Yeah.
That will prevent you from getting HIV.
Okay.
If you
I didn't know that.
Yes.
I didn't know that there was medication for preventers.
Okay.
And you know, and it really it hurts the black and brown communities because we really don't want to take PrEP. We don't want to take no pills.
And you like to roll the dice. What is that?
I don't get it because it's coming up craps. That's what it's coming up with. That's what it's coming up with. But we are here today. We're doing free testing. We do testing anywhere. Anybody who will call us, we'll come. We're located in Hammond, 5261 Holman Avenue, 8:30 to 5 o'clock. Walk-ins.
Walk-ins.
Come on in.
All right.
We'll take care of you.
It's been my honor to meet you.
Yes.
I've seen you around.
Yes.
I know your brand well.
Yes.
You are doing a major service, a ministry even to this community.
We're trying. We really
Save
are.
us. Thank you for being
Save
here.
us from ourselves, right?
Amen.
All right, girl.
It's Tammy, Aliveness Project. And the information keeps coming. Come on in. She got the butterflies on. We're broadcasting live at the Wellness and Health Education Fair. Edgewater Health, Purdue, MDYs have come together for the third year in a row. And it's almost time to go. So I need you all to get here. 1600 West 25th Avenue in Gary. Please share your name and the organization that you're representing today.
Hello, my name is Khadijah. I'm here from Butterfly Touch Spa.
Oh, wait a minute. That's where they're all back there doing the... Okay, hurry up. It's a chair massage, y'all.
Yes, we're here giving free chair massages to the community today, complimentary. So if you all were in the area, you're more than welcome to stop by. And so our business, we are massage therapy and holistic healing. So we provide massage therapy. We provide sound bowl healing, facials, waxing, a variety of holistic services as well alongside those services. And we're located in Hammond, Indiana at 3524 169th Street. We're in the Briar East Shopping Center right next door to H&R Block. And Morton High School.
I know exactly where you are.
Yes. So, we accept walk-ins on Thursdays, but we're by appointment only. So if you're looking for us, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Butterfly Touch Spa.
That's why she got the little butterflies on her shirt, Butterfly Touch. So tell me, Khadijah, she like, oh my God, I didn't know I was doing TV today. But you did an amazing job. I just have one other question for you with today, because if you all are still there, I hope you're still there.
Yeah.
What are the benefits of getting that chair massage? What am I going to walk out of here feeling?
So massage therapy is going to help reduce tension, reduce anxiety, reduce stress, reduce inflammation in the body. It's going to help with rejuvenating your muscles. It's going to help with like all the muscle tension we have. We hold on to. Sometimes we walk around with extra stress on us and we don't realize how much we're holding on to.
Yeah.
So it's going to help with getting some of those things off for you.
Well, I need all those, but I think I'm going to send Amber over there first.
Yeah.
She's doing a lot. She's a little stressed. So Amber, if you want to go get your massage before me, she has a question for you off camera. Butterfly Touch in Hammond, Indiana. Thank you so much for being here. And I'll see you at the chair. Ooh-wee, St. Timothy Community Church. We are here until 1 p.m. I don't even know what time it is, but it doesn't matter. Come on over. If you're watching, just make a U-turn, get on Grant Street, come to the corner of 25th and Grant, right here in Gary, Indiana. Again, a special shout out to all of our presenters today. Edgewater Health, under the leadership of Dr. Danita Johnson. We have MD Wise, who's always a great supporter. And of course, Purdue University out of Lafayette has also continued to be a staunch supporter of this event. And of course, behind me, all of these amazing vendors from whom you've heard today. Screenings, information, employment, clinical research. We've talked it all, and we are excited to be the official public relations firm for today's event. I'm Chelsea Whittington of CWIT PR. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, stay healthy out there.